Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Lesson 2. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 4, Lesson 2. This is your lecture number 21. Okay, let's start our discussion. Class 7, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic Chapter 4, Lesson 2, lecture number 21. Lesson 2, Industry of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, industrialization began in the British period. During the Pakistan period, Adamji jute mills, the largest of the jute mills of the world, was established in Narayanganj. After the independence in 1971, new industries and mills and factories were established in Bangladesh. Once, jute was our largest industrial sector, but presently we have achieved success in ready-made garments and pharmaceutical industries. So this is the background of starting of industry in Bangladesh. Depending on capital, size, production and number of workers, industries can be divided into various kinds such as large industry, medium industry, small industry and cottage industry. So what is large industry? We will discuss or mention some points of every industry. Number 1 point, these industries require huge capital, skilled labor, engineers, experts and experienced managers. That means the industry which require huge capital and skilled labor and experts and experienced managers are called large industries. Capacity of production is very high in large industries. Number 3, large industries serve as the backbone of our economy. This line is very much important. Large industries serve as the backbone of our economy. Jute, textile, cement, fertilizer, rail, engineering, electricity are examples of large industries. Number 2, medium industry. Capital of this type of industry is more than 1.5 crore. That means the industries which require the capital of more than 1.5 crore are called medium industry. These industries meet the demand of the country people and create employment opportunity. Let's have some examples. Light engineering, silk, ceramic, cold storage are the examples of medium industries. Small industries, here capital is less than 1.5 crore taka. That means if the investment or the capital of an industry is less than 1.5 crore taka, then it will be called small industry. Rice mill, small scale shoe factory, plastic industry, food processing industry, etc. are these kind of industries. And final one, cottage industry. Large population of Bangladesh is involved here. The owner or his family member take care of this kind of industry. And number 3 and most important is creates opportunity of self-reliance and employs a good number of people. As it creates self-reliance and a good number of employment is created in cottage industry, the huge number of population of Bangladesh are involved in cottage industry. Let's have some examples. Handloom industries, earthenware, bamboo and woodworks, sari or sweet packets, incense sticks, etc. are some of the examples of cottage industries. So these are the description of different types of industries. Now we will have some points on contribution of industry to the economy of Bangladesh and what is its future. The expansion of industries in Bangladesh has brightened up the possibility of becoming industrially rich and middle income country. We know that Bangladesh is day by day improving in industrial sector and they are about to achieve the goal of middle income country. In this goal, the expansion of industries are contributing a lot. Number 2, ample supply of skilled and unskilled laborers at cheap wages had attracted the foreigners and expatriates to invest here. We all know that the Bangladesh serve the most cheap and skilled labor in the world, and for this reason the foreign countries, the foreign investors are attracted, and recently the expatriates who are living abroad are also showing their interest to invest in Bangladesh, and for this reason more and more industries are being built in Bangladesh. Establishment of EPZs, that means export processing zones, upgradation of gas and electricity, port and transportation facilities are also creating further attraction for foreign investments. You know that if we want to be developed in industrial sector, we need better communication, we need transportation facilities and port facilities. Our government is focusing on these things, and for this reason the investors are getting attraction and they are investing in our industrial sector. And finally, all these efforts will raise the financial status of our country people and strengthen our national economy. That means all the things and measures and all the initiatives which are flourishing the industrial sector of Bangladesh makes sure that Bangladesh is going to be industrially developed, and this will certainly develop the status of our country people and will contribute a lot in the economy of Bangladesh. Okay, so for your better understanding, you must read out your textbook. I hope that you have understood. If you have any further question, you should contact me. This is my name and phone number 01735852285, and this is messenger Mahmudur. You can contact in both of the medium. So take care of yourself, make your assignments very neatly and cleanly. You know that the assignment given by the government will be helpful for your next class roles and positions. So decorate and prepare your assignments very neatly and cleanly. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself, abide by your parents. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.